Hey everyone, it's Investment IQ Insights, and look, we're just gonna say it. Artificial intelligence is already changing the world as we know it, and it's only just getting started. ChatGPT alone has already become a cultural phenomenon, and we're only just beginning to understand its full potential. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of AI stocks, and we're sharing 5 companies that we believe will rule the future of AI. These companies are already making big moves in the AI space, and their growth potential is absolutely insane. But before we reveal these AI titans, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos about AI, tech, and building wealth. As always, this is not financial advice, and we're not telling you to buy or sell any of these stocks. This is purely for entertainment and educational purposes only, and you should always do your own research before investing in anything. That being said, let's get right into it. First up, we've got NVIDIA, a company that needs no introduction. These guys are the absolute kings of AI chips. Seriously, their GPUs power everything from AI research labs to self-driving cars and even those crazy realistic video game graphics you love. With over 90% market share in AI chips, NVIDIA is basically synonymous with the AI boom. And let me tell you, this company is not slowing down anytime soon. They're constantly innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI hardware. Their latest and greatest chip, the H100, is specifically designed for large language models like ChatGPT. It's an absolute beast, capable of handling trillions of parameters and delivering lightning-fast performance. But it's not just about the chips themselves. NVIDIA has also built a whole ecosystem around its hardware, including software libraries, developer tools, and partnerships with major players in the AI industry. This creates a powerful network effect that makes it difficult for competitors to catch up. So, if you're looking for a company that's at the forefront of the AI revolution, NVIDIA is definitely one to watch. Next up, we've got Palantir Technologies, a company that's been making headlines for its AI-powered data analytics platform. Now, Palantir is not your typical tech company. They work with some of the most secretive organizations in the world, including governments, intelligence agencies, and defense contractors. Think of Palantir as the AI-powered brain behind big data. Their platform can ingest massive amounts of data from various sources, analyze it in real time, and extract actionable insights that would be impossible for humans to find on their own. This technology has proven to be incredibly valuable in a wide range of applications, from fighting terrorism and crime to predicting maintenance issues in critical infrastructure. And as the volume of data continues to explode, Palantir is well-positioned to capitalize on this trend. Now, Palantir has been a bit of a controversial company in the past, mainly because of its involvement with government surveillance programs. But there's no denying the power of their technology and the potential for growth in the years to come. When you think of Google, you probably think of their search engine, right? But let me tell you, Google is so much more than just search. In fact, they're one of the biggest players in AI, and their parent company, Alphabet, has its fingers in practically every pie imaginable. We're talking about everything from Google DeepMind, which is known for its groundbreaking work in artificial general intelligence, to Bard AI, Google's answer to ChatGPT, and even Waymo, their self-driving car company. Google has been investing heavily in AI for years, and it shows. They have access to an unparalleled amount of data, which they use to train their AI models and improve their products and services. And because their products are used by billions of people around the world, they're able to gather even more data to further enhance their AI capabilities. So while Google might not be the first company that comes to mind when you think of AI, make no mistake, they're a force to be reckoned with in this space. Now, we can't talk about AI chips without mentioning AMD. While NVIDIA has been the dominant player in this market for years, AMD has been quietly catching up, and their latest MI300 AI chips are giving NVIDIA a run for its money. These new chips are specifically designed for high-performance computing and AI workloads, and they're already being adopted by major cloud providers like Microsoft Azure. AMD's chips are known for their competitive pricing and power efficiency, which makes them an attractive alternative to NVIDIA's offerings. Plus, AMD has been on a roll lately, consistently exceeding earnings expectations and gaining market share in other areas like CPUs for personal computers and servers. This strong momentum could carry over to their AI chip business as well. So while NVIDIA is still the king of AI chips for now, keep a close eye on AMD. They have the potential to disrupt the market and become a major player in the AI hardware space. Last but not least, we have Microsoft, a company that's been making a huge AI push lately, thanks to their multi-billion-dollar investment in OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT. This strategic partnership has given Microsoft exclusive access to OpenAI's cutting-edge AI models, which they're now integrating into a wide range of their products and services. We're talking about everything from Azure, their cloud computing platform, to Office 365, their suite of productivity apps, and even Bing, their search engine. By embedding AI into everything they do, Microsoft is aiming to become the go-to platform for developers and businesses looking to leverage the power of artificial intelligence. And with ChatGPT's popularity exploding, Microsoft is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Just imagine a future where you can use ChatGPT to write emails, create presentations, or even generate code, all within your familiar Microsoft applications. That's the vision Microsoft is working towards. And it's a vision that has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and live. So there you have it, our top 5 AI stocks that ChatGPT believes will dominate the future. These companies are at the forefront of the AI revolution, and their growth potential is absolutely mind-blowing. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest trends in AI, tech, and investing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and check out one of the videos popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.